See, good morning. In the previous class, we are discussing or we are solving the example the correlation coefficient by the shortcut method or the deviation method. Now, let us take up the new method another method, that is Spearman's rank correlation coefficient. Sometimes we come across a statistical series in which the variables under the considerations are not capable of quantitative measurement, means it cannot be countable measurement, but can be arranged in serial order or can be applied ranks or score. So this happens whenever we deal with the qualitative characteristics. That is, qualitative characteristics is say this honesty, beauty, character, morality, etc. It cannot be measured quantitatively, but can be arranged serially or by giving the ranks or by giving the scores. In such situations, Karl Pearson's correlation coefficient can be applied. So suppose we want to find if two characteristics, A say intelligence and B say beauty, are related or not. Both characteristics are incapable of quantitative measurements. In the sense, you can't count it, you can't measure it quantitatively. So we can arrange them into group of individuals in order of their merit or ranks with respect to proficiency in the two characteristics. Let X and Y denote the rank of these individuals, that is which I have taken intelligence and beauty, say two ranks. Hopefully there is no tie at all, it means repetition. If no two individuals get the same rank in the characteristics, then X and Y assume numerical values ranging from 1 to n. Then the Spearman's rank correlation coefficient between characteristics A and B for the group of individuals that you have considered A and B, usually denoted by the symbol rho, RH, rho. It is given by rho equal to 1 minus 6 into summation d square divided by n into n squared minus 1. So where d is the difference between the pair of the ranks of the same individual in the two characteristics and n is the number of observations. Let us take up an example for that, it would be more clear. See, ranks of the same 15 students in two subjects A and B are given below. The two numbers within the brackets denoting the ranks of the same students A and B. See, in the bracket the rank of A is 1, so the corresponding rank of B is 10. Similarly, in the second bracket, that is the rank of A is 2, corresponding rank of B is 7, etc. If it is not given, suppose rank is not given, you have to put the ranks. Simply if A and B values are given, then you have to score, or you have to, according to their merit, you have to give the ranks to them. You have to arrange in a ascending or descending order of ranks. But here in this case the rank is already given. So the use Spearman's formula to find the rank correlation coefficient. Calculation of the solution is like this. See, rank of A is given. See, example is here. See, first bracket is the rank of A is 1 and corresponding rank of 10. For the second bracket, the rank of A is 2 and rank of B is 7. So accordingly, you have made a list. Say rank of A. So the rank of X or rank of A, that is X variable. Rank of B is the Y variable. So rank of A, that is the first 1 and 10. So we have already accordingly we have written 1 and 10. See the bracket here, 1 and 10, 2 and 7. See 2 and 7. See next is 3 and 2. See 3 and 2. So rank of A and rank of B. See, accordingly, we have written like this. So first column, the respective to rank of A, and second column with respect to rank of B. So 3, 2, 4, 6, 5, 4, 6, 8, etc. etc. All this. So all this. The next column is you have to take the deviation, or you have to take the difference between the rank of A and rank of B. See, rank of A is the, that is x variable, that is 1, 1, and the corresponding rank of B is 10. So 1 minus 10 is minus 9. So similarly, 2 minus 7 is minus 5. 3 minus 2 is 1. 4 minus 6 is minus 2. 5 minus 4 is 4 is 1. 6 minus 8 is minus 2. So 7 minus 3 is 4. So similarly others, you have to take the deviations. The next step you have to take the next column, you have to take the square of d square. See, minus 9 into minus 9 is 81. Minus 5 into minus 5 is 25. 1 into 1 is 1. Minus 2 into minus 2 is 4. So similarly others, you have to compute the square of the ranks. Next is come to the Spearman's rank correlation coefficient. It is given by rho equal to 1 minus 6 into summation d square divided by n into n squared minus 1. That is equal to 1 minus 6 into sum of d squared. You have to take the summation here. See here, you have to take d is the deviation between the ranks. ಫಿಗರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವಾಗ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗ್ತದೆ? ಸೊ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ, ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಡೇಟಾ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ರ್ಯಾಂಕನ್ನು ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. 1 2 3 4 ಎಟ್ಸೆಟ್ರಾ, ಅಥವಾ ಸ್ಕೋರನ್ನು ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಕೋರ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್, ಲೈಕ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಇದು ಡಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ದ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್, ನಾಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್. ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ, ಏನಾದ್ರು ಇದು ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ನೀವು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಕೊತ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ರ್ಯಾಂಕನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಇದು deviation, and square of the deviation is the d square. Then take the sum of that. Here in this case total is 272. We have taken, say, sum of d squared is 272 divided by number of observations are 15. So n is 15 here, number of observations. So n into 15 into 15 squared, n squared minus 1 means 15 squared minus 1. That is, if you simplify this, 1 minus 17 by 35, that gives you 0.51. This is the Spearman's rank correlation coefficient. Let us take up one more example. That is, two referees in a flower beauty competition rank the 10 types of flowers as follows. 10 types of flowers means n equal to 10. So use the rank correlation coefficient and find out what degree of agreement is between the referee. So two referees are there, had given the ranks for different flowers. 10 flowers, 10 types of flowers I have selected. So the ranks, so two referees have had given different ranks. For example, rose, the referee 1 has given the rank for that is 1, but the referee has given for that rose as 6. So accordingly, for the different 10 flowers, so ranks are assigned, ranks are allotted. So accordingly you have to now today we have to find out the correlation coefficient using the calculation rank correlation method. So this is the, so referee A has given like this the numbers 1 6 5 10 3 2 4 9 7 8 etc. Similarly, referee B has allotted the ranks the same flower. Whatever A has allotted the rank 1, but B has recorded as C. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ, ನಾವು ನಿಮ್ಮ 10 ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸನ್ನು ಆರಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ನಾನೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ, ಯಾರೋ ಈ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎ ಅನ್ನು 10 ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸಿಗೂ ನಾನು 1 2 3 4 up to 10 ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತೇನೆ. 10 ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸಿಗೆ ನಾನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಅವನು ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಒಂದೇ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸಿಗೆ ಮೊದಲನೇ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಆದರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರು ಅದನ್ನೇ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅವರು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅವರಿಗೆ 5ನೇ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಹೀಗೆ ಟೂ ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಕೊಡೋದಂದ್ರೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಸೇಮ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಒಂದು ಫ್ಲವರ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ಲವರ್ ಇದೆ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಗುಲಾಬಿ ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಗುಲಾಬಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬ ರೆಫರಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 6th ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ ದ ಫಾರ್ ಅದರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಸೊ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಬೈ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೆಫರಿ, ಸಿ first referee is R1 and rank referred by this referee by R2. See, the rank had assigned, see, First rank, for the first flower, R on first referee has given first rank, but for the same flower, the referee has assigned the rank to 6. So similarly, 6th rank, 4th rank, 5th rank, 9th rank, 10th rank, 8th rank, 3rd rank, 1st rank, 2nd rank, 2nd rank, 4th rank, 3rd rank, 3rd rank, similarly others. So 10 flowers are there, so n equal to 10. Now take the deviation, take the difference between the rank of A, rank of first referee and rank of second referee. Take the difference of that, that gives you the 1 minus 6 is minus 5, 6 minus 4 is 2. ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಡಬೇಕು, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಡಬೇಕು. ಹಾಂ, ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಣ್ಣ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಕಳೆಯೋದಲ್ಲ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎ, ಸೊ ರೆಫರಿ ಎ ಮೈನಸ್ ರೆಫರಿ ಬಿ, ಹೀಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ವೈ. 6 minus 4, 5 minus 9 is minus 5 minus 9 is minus 4, 10 minus 8 is 2, 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 minus 2 is 0, 4 minus 3 is 1, 9 minus 10 is minus 1, 7 minus 5 is 2. Similarly others, take the deviation like this and square of each values. Square of minus 5 into minus 5 square is minus 5 into minus 5, that gives you 25. 2 into 2 is 4, minus 4 into minus 4 gives you 16. Similarly others, take the rank of that and take the sum of the ranks, that is sum of d squared, then apply the formula. Here n equal to 10, d squared equal to d I squared ಅಂತಿದೆ, I equal to 1 to n, n ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 10 ಇದೆ. ನೀವು ಡಿ ಐ ಅಂತೂ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಬೋದು, ಡಿ ಅಂತೂ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಬೋದು, ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಡಿ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಬೋದು, ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಟ್ ಆಲ್. So n equal to small n equal to 10 is the number of observations, and sum of d squared, sum of d is nothing but the deviation square of each values, and then finally take the sum, that is the sum of d squared equal to 60. See, 60 is here. So and by applying the Karpy's correlation coefficient formula, we have rho equal to 1 minus 6 into summation di square divided by n into n squared minus 1, that equal to 1 minus 6 into 60 divided by 10 into 10 squared minus 1, that is 1 minus 360. 60 into 6 is 360 divided by 10 squared minus 100 minus 1 is 99, so 10 into minus 99, so 1 minus 360 divided by 990, that gives you 0.636. This is the correlation coefficient value. Now interpretation of this is degree of argument between the referees A and B is 0.636, and they have strong agreement in evaluating the competitors. So this is the solution of this. This is answer for this. Let us today stop here. Tomorrow let us take up whenever the rank is, if the rank is repeated, same rank is given allotted, then how to do that. In such cases, how to calculate the correlation coefficient, that you can see in the next period. Thank you.